What are you drinking?
Shake Shack? You want one? I'll go grab a beer.
No. Thank you, though. I see you got the extra whipped cream in there, huh? Yummers. Guess you wanted to cram in as much fat fuck as possible, huh?
You know, I need 30,000 calories.
Maybe when you actually ran, you did. Now you're just eating your feelings, making us look ridiculous. Fastest man alive, what a fucking joke. What did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say to me?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.